take me over, over, over now. Take me over when I'm feeling down. You're like an ocean that you can't describe. The way you feel her heart, the way you feel her mind. She's on the outside and she can't decide what's wrong or what's right. Crashing in her like an ocean tide. Won't you now take me over, over, over now. Take me over when I'm feeling down. Take me over, over, over now. Take me over when I'm feeling down. And it feels so good knowing that you're in her life. Makes her feel so alive. When the sun goes down, she's gonna be shining bright, 'cause your love has changed her life. Won't you now take me over, over, over now. Take me over when I'm feeling down. Take me over, over, over now. Take me over when I'm feeling down. And everybody needs a place to get away from a world that's trying to take your peace away. Up at Sunset Cliffs is where she's gonna be, just sitting in a car, singing a melody, but with the melody to me like this. She needs to find a place to get away tonight from all the things that are going wrong in her life. She'd be looking out deep to the skylight, hoping and praying that life will be alright. She want him and then she want to belong, like a freedom song, as she be singing along in her heart and her soul. Losing control, not realizing that she doesn't know it all. She feels slow when she sees the waves crash below, when she sees the sun no more. She can feel it in her soul, and I know 'cause it shows that she flows like.
Take me over, over, over now.
Take me over when I'm feeling down.